Good morning. Welcome back to the Daily Trading Journal. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of April. If you're new here, my name's Matt, and this is where I break down real trading sessions in a simple, beginner-friendly way so that you can actually understand what's going on, not just copy trades. So it's real trades, real learning right before work. Now, today I want to talk about something that will save you lots of money early on, and it's this. Not every day is a trading day. Now, that might sound obvious, but most beginners completely ignore it. Because what happens is this. You sit down, you open the charts, and you see price moving, and your brain immediately goes, there's an opportunity here. I should probably be in something. I don't want to miss this. But here's the problem. Movement doesn't mean opportunity. Just because the market is doing something doesn't mean there is a clean, high quality trade there. And over the last couple of days, plus the end of last week, we've had a really good example of this. Market has been moving, but it's been messy. What that means in simple terms is this. Price starts moving in a direction, looks like it might continue, but then suddenly it doesn't. It stalls, it reverses, breaks down. So instead of nice clean moves that make sense, you get a lot of false starts. And this is where most beginners get caught out because those false starts look like real opportunities. They look like this is the move. They look like this is about to go. So you jump in and it doesn't work. Now, that's not because you're bad at trading. It's because you're trading in the wrong conditions. And this is where you need to understand something really important. The market moves in phases. There are times where everything is clean, clear direction, proper pullbacks, continuation. Those are the days where trading makes sense. And then there are times like now, where it's choppy, unclear, and inconsistent. And in those phases, the best trade is often no trade at all. Now, I know that's frustrating, especially when you're starting out, because it feels like you should be doing something. It feels like sitting there and not trading means you're not improving. But actually, it's completely the opposite. Knowing when not to trade is one of the biggest skills you can build, because what you're really doing is avoiding bad trades. And that's how you protect your account. Most people focus on trying to win more, but a lot of the game is just avoiding unnecessary losses. And messy conditions like this are full of them. Now, I'm not saying never trade when the market is moving like this, but what I am saying is this. If it's not clear, it's not there. If you have to convince yourself it's a setup, it's probably not. If it looks good for a second but then loses structure, then leave it. And this is part of what takes discipline, because you will feel tempted. You will feel like you're missing out. You will feel like maybe I can just catch a quick one, and that's exactly where most people slip. Now, what I'm doing right now is very simple. I'm waiting. I'm letting the market show me something clean before I even think about getting involved, and I'm not reacting to every move. I'm not chasing price. I'm not forcing trades, and that's the approach I'd recommend you start building as well. Now, in terms of today, here's a very simple way to think about it. When the market opens, especially the US session, things can get very fast, very unpredictable. You'll see big moves, quick reversals, lots of things that look like opportunities, but early on, it's very easy to get caught out. So instead of jumping straight away, just watch, let the market settle, give it time to show you how it wants to behave today. And then once things calm down a bit, you can start looking for something that actually makes sense. Something that holds, something that's consistent, something that doesn't fall apart after a few minutes. And if you don't see that, you don't trade. It's as simple as that. Now, in the full breakdown on Patreon, I go into a lot more detail on exactly what I'm looking for in terms of structure, how I scan the market properly, and what would actually make me take a trade in these conditions. So if you want to understand the full process, that's where to go. So stay sharp, don't rush anything. I'll see you tomorrow.